Today we're going to talk to you about spring cleaning. Hi, this is Melody Wilson with the ReLife team at Remax Lead, and I'm talking to you about spring cleaning. And you're thinking, well, why do I have to do spring cleaning? I'm not selling my house this year. So whether you're selling or just living in your house, I highly recommend that you take advantage of doing some spring cleaning this year. Why? Well, maintaining your property is key to maintaining equity in your home. So if you don't maintain your home and then you try to hurry up and fix it up for when you sell it, it makes it a little bit harder and it has a lot more wear and tear on your property, which does in turn affect market value. So one of the things that I want you to take advantage of is first, clean your eaves trough. Your eaves trough that's full of leaves from last fall and you forgot to do it before winter hit, make sure you take advantage of taking that all out. It's not just for cosmetic purposes, it's also for functional. With the water coming down when it does start raining, it's going to affect how the logistics of the eaves trough work. You're going to wreck the exterior of your property, water is going to get everywhere. So you don't want to make sure, clean out your eaves trough. Aerate your lawn. Clean up the leaves, give your lawn a good mow, get it all good and ready and started for the year so that you're actually going to have some nice green grass this year, and it just maintains the life of your lawn long term, because you know what? No one likes a dead yard. So you want to make sure that you have your lawn aerated. And if you have a porch, and everyone has windowsills, check the paint. Check to see if the paint has worn out over the years, especially winter months really hit paint really hard. So you want to, power wash, clean that off, and then repaint, restain your deck. Make sure that you maintain that property so you maintain your equity again in your property. It's your biggest investment on your property. And last but not least, you want to start planting flowers when the time comes. Before you even plant flowers, you can go buy planter boxes with flowers in them, for example at Costco, put them on your front step, hang the planter, like the flowers up on a little iron rod thing, and you could just make your house look that much inviting when it's got spring and flowers and it just looks full of life. So hopefully those tips helped you. If you found them helpful and you think your friends should be spring cleaning, or yourself or your husband, share this video and spread the word of these spring cleaning tips. Until next time.